Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 2.2% in the last session after rising as much as 2.9% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.9% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices were on track for their biggest weekly gain since late August, with market sentiment buoyed by easing concerns over the Omicron coronavirus variant's impact on global economic growth and fuel demand. Britain's economy barely grew in October, even before the emergence of the Omicron coronavirus variant, further denting expectations that the Bank of England will raise interest rates next week. The dollar rose as traders prepared for US inflation figures scheduled later in the day that could cement the course of interest rates rises next year, while the Chinese yuan regained its footing.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Finland's current account at 600 GMT. Germany's wholesale price index will be released at 700 GMT. Singapore's unemployment rate at 230 GMT. Korea's export price growth at 2100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.